Jai Hind, friends. So, you all are, some of you must be angry on me, some of you must be happy, some of you must have no opinion about me. You have taken our money and you have not given the NCRTs completely. But sir, the people who are harsh on you or who betray you, they always help you to become strong in life. The people who are harsh, your parents, the people who betray. Now, all those people who have been abusing me for the past 4-5 months, you did not learn anything from me. Your 2100 rupees was a waste. Sir, I have taken your money, I will complete it. The people who had no reaction, I am thankful to them that possibly in love or respect you did not give any reaction. The people who have learned, if out of 100 people, if 10 would have learned what I was saying, law of connectivity, this society, this nation will be indebted to me. Because these 10 trees, they will expand more seeds. It's not that always you understand the motive of a person. It's not that you always understand the motive of a person. Every institute, every coaching, main motive is to make you dependent. But if you would have thought, no, law of connectivity I have learned, I will apply it on the other subject, I tell you, you would have got a very big gift from me. But I am thankful to all the three of you. I have no negative thought for any of one of you. I have promised, I have taken your money, so I have to fulfill the promise. So now I will complete the Stone Age. I told you in which age we are moving, the age of the earth, quaternary. This is the fourth stage. We are in Holocene age. And now this Stone Age is divided into three parts. The Stone Age is divided into three parts. First part is Paleolithic age. First part faces in the Paleolithic age. Paleolithic. Now, Paleolithic simply means a simple man living on hunting and gathering. Simple man living only on hunting and gathering. But if you see this Paleolithic phase, not Mesolithic, not Neolithic, this Paleolithic phase is divided into three parts. See, I told you, I tell you from the very beginning of the class, law of connectivity, कि whenever any development is taking place, be alert. कि why Mesolithic not in three phase? Why Neolithic not in three phase? Why Paleolithic in three phase? Two reasons. Man is simple man. This is a phase when the simple man from Neanderthal, it moves to Homo sapien. It's a very revolutionary age. Paleolithic. Anthropological development is also taking place. Neanderthal turns towards Homo sapiens. This Neanderthal, even apes, they use sticks to dig out the ants. But they are not treated as human beings. Homo sapien means a very important development of Paleolithic period is Neanderthal. Neanderthal turns into Homo sapiens. Homo sapien means a rational being Homo sapien means a rational being, rational. So there must be something in which that rationality is reflected. There should be something in which that rationality should be reflected. If this rationality is not reflected, how can you prove that this was a big change? Paleolithic is a very revolutionary period. The story starts from Australopithecus africanus to Homo erectus to Cro-Magnon to Neanderthal to Homo sapiens. Anthropological development. And this phase is revolutionary because Neanderthals turn towards Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens are famous for their rationality. So there must be something where that rationality is reflecting. What is that? Where the Homo sapiens rationality is reflecting? That is tools, implements, and weapons. This is the most important parameter for Paleolithic period being divided into 3 phases. This is the most important parameter. Tools, implements and weapons. Types of tools, implements and weapons are the most important medium which reflect the rationality of Homo sapiens. Plus, the other thing which is taking place on geographical front, 2 things we have to see: geography, anthropology and history. Stone Age is a combination of 3 things: geography, anthropology, history. Geography, climate; anthropology, human development; history, tools, implements and weapons. That is why it's not so easy to answer the question on Stone Age, because it's a combination of 3 things. So you have to know about the 3 backgrounds. So 2 things are the pillars which are the reason for the division of Paleolithic age into 3 parts. First one is types of tools, implements and weapons, and second one is climate change. Now types of tools, implements and weapons. I said even apes has played a very important role in dividing Paleolithic age into 3 phases: early or lower Paleolithic, middle Paleolithic, middle Paleolithic, and upper Paleolithic. First one, early or lower Paleolithic. Simple stone tools, simple and crude stone tools. Tools, implements. Hand axe, cleaver, and chopper. Hand axe, cutting, digging, skinning. Simple. Cutting, digging, skinning. Simple and crude stone tools. Cutting, digging, skinning. Climate became less humid. Climate became less humid. 3 centers in India: Didwana, Bhimbetak and Belan. These 3 centers: Belan, Didwana, Rajasthan, and Bhimbetak. But then apes, I said, they also use sticks to dig. Monkeys also peel the banana and eat. There are many animals which behave in more mature way than human being. Mesolithic period. Pay attention. A very dangerous development. Flakes are used for tools and implements. Middle Paleolithic. Sorry. Middle Paleolithic, sorry. Flakes. I'll show you all the 3 diagrams, because this can be understood only by diagram, only. Selection. नहीं. अच्छा, ओ डिलीट. Diagrams of stone tools of Paleolithic period. Search. Photos of tools of 3 phases of Paleolithic period. Photos of tools of 3 phases of Paleolithic period. View all. See, lower Paleolithic. Crude stone tools. See, heavy and strong crude stone tools. Then flakes. See. 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 Cutting off flakes, pieces, joining it, and then creating the tools. And they became lighter in comparison to the previous one. Spear, sword, to gun is a symbol of what? Human mental development. See, pre-modern men were strong, well built up, because they have to pick up what? Sword. 20 kg, 30 kg, 40 kg. The spear of Rana Pratap, 120 kg. So to pick up the spear of 120 kg, you have to be of at least 200 kg. See, flakes. Tools became hand axe, chopper, hand axe, cleaver. See, chopper, hand axe, cleaver, cleaver to dig, hand axe to cut, chopper skinning. See, the cutting of the stones. See, simple crude stone tools were replaced by flakes. Chopping off the stones into chips. You've seen chips? Slide forms. And then holding it and preparing the tools and implements, which became more lighter than the previous one. And this gives the example of what? The development, technological development. And technological development is the example of human development. Climate became more warm. Upper Paleolithic. And here you will see evidence which will tell you that rationalism has started. And this period gives you the example of what? Flint industry. In Hindi you call chakmak. The stones which are used to ignite fire. So these stones will be very helpful in polishing, in cutting, in smoothing. But domestic use of fire does not start here. Flint is discovered. The stone's energy is used in improving the tools, implements. But fire domestically starts being used in which period? Neolithic. But this Beginning of flint industry, the small nodules used to improve the tools and implements changed the nature of human settlement. And from here starts the story of Homo sapiens. Very important. From here starts the story of Homo sapiens. Climate becomes warm. End of ice age. End of ice age. Climate becomes warm. Beginning of flora and fauna. Iceland, do you find rich fauna and flora in Iceland? No. Why? Ice. But you see, 0 degree to tropics, rich flora and fauna, and that is suitable for human settlement. This period is very important. This period is very important. End of ice age. End of ice age. What is the time period of this? 5 lakh BC to 50,000 BC. What is the time period here? 50,000 to 40,000 BC. Here 40,000 to BC to 10,000 BC. And with the coming of Homo sapiens starts the story of human civilization. From crude stone tool to flakes. See the difference? Crude stone tools to flakes. From flakes to flint industry. But in all the 3 phases, human was hunter and gatherer. So in totality it is called as Paleolithic period. But upper Paleolithic, climate wise, what you see today climate, the climate starts from here. There was no big change in the climate from that time till now. Now global warming is leading to the changes. Climate wise, geography wise, you see, suitable development. Anthropology wise, Homo sapiens. History wise, flint industry. 3 parameter. If you are asked what is the importance of upper Paleolithic, 3 parameter. Geography wise, the suitable climate for human being. Anthropology wise, Homo sapiens. History wise, flint industry. The instrument to improve tools, implements and weapons. And this is called as Paleolithic age. Who prepared the ground for the beginning of human civilization? Upper Paleolithic age. Clear? Stone Age becomes technical for students. 3 streams are involved, na? Geography, anthropology and history. And you have to see it from 3 perspectives. Hope all the 3 would have been clear. But overall Paleolithic, because human being is still hunter and gatherer. The level of subsistence is not changing. The story of subsistence is not changing. This is Paleolithic period.